not all of them. We have added some, but definitely the larger. And just this last year, we removed the cages, the bigger cages of the bigger trees, and now they just have the protective plastic kind of around the base. But we'll see how they do.
And that's to protect.
Yeah.
Are you leaving all the big double leaders?
For now.
For now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And we're still kind of supplementing every year, really, just to fill in. We don't want it, there's a certain density that we're looking for. We don't want to overdo it too much. But we're still continuing to, knowing that some won't make it. The Gary, this is all the Gary Oaks in there, this little arcade. So you can see the twig in there. I want to say that's probably 2 years old. So yeah, just give us a call. And like I said, so seed collection, we can train you, and then you can come whenever you want. And we have a cabinet outside that has all of the supplies that you need, and we just stay in communication about where we're collecting that week or whatever, and what we're collecting. So that works well.
Do you have like a threshing machine, or do you also do that manual?
It's all manual.
Wow.
For the most part, yeah. Stomping is, a lot of different methods. But yeah.
Well done. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you got the point that they're looking for more volunteers.
Yeah, right.
Seed
If you want to learn more about how to do it, what best than helping them do it?
Collection all the way through process.
Much brighter green leaves are these leaves that just flashed out. So Viola violacea.
Because many of them take anywhere from 5 to 7 years, from seed to flowering. Plants for sale pretty much year round. We'll have something that's kind of hanging out, leftovers from the previous sales and things. Otherwise, we put it out on our prairie.
We even leave our garden open sometimes. Like, you know what? Go ahead. How big a truck you got?
It's pretty willy-nilly.
It's in the name of science, right?
Right.
Or I just point it out to you and you come and see it yourself. No, it's just, it makes the point if I give it to you in your hand. So this is the same genus as blueberries, and so huckleberries are related to blueberries, the same genus, Vaccinium. And this one happens to be parvifolium, which literally means tiny leaf.